Now that we have an equation for the profit Grant will make based on the number of glasses cleaning sets he sells, I'd like to know what the 700, this constant term at the end of the equation, stands for in the context of Grant's money-making endeavors. Is this how many cleaning sets he has to sell in order to break even? Just so you know, breaking even means that profit equals 0. So Grant doesn't make any money, but he also doesn't lose any money. Or is 700 his profit if he doesn't sell any glasses cleaning sets? Is it his lunch budget for the month? His profit for every extra glasses cleaning set he sells? Or is 700 the cost of one glasses cleaning set? Please pick what you think is the best answer.